Find or read reviews that people are talking about. Kimevan waterproof rooftop cargo carrier, upgrade waterproof design luggage roof rack, cargo bag 15 cubic feet. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that brand new waterproof design. With our upgraded, patented waterproof structure and waterproof webbing, no matter how bad the weather gets, your content will stay dry and safe. Superior strength and extreme durability. Our products feature heavy-duty fabrics and advanced fusion welding techniques to guarantee solid connections throughout. An enhanced fixation method ensures a secure fit, effectively eliminating safety concerns associated with tear risks. Experience the perfect blend of robust performance and unwavering safety. Quick and easy installation. Experience a hassle-free setup with our high-quality sockets that ensure secure fixation. Plus, enjoy the convenience of a foldable design that saves space and allows for effortless storage. Upgrade your living space without any fuss. Spacious storage solution. With a generous 15 cubic feet of capacity, our storage unit measures 43-inch length, x 35-inch wide, x 17-inch height. It's perfect for storing 4 to 6 suitcases, luggage bags, tents, and other bulky items. Additionally, it can hold pillows, clothing, and more, providing you with a tidy and organized space. Versatile compatibility. Our Kimevan roof bag is compatible with a wide range of vehicles, including cars and SUVs. It works equally well with cars equipped with roof racks and those without, offering versatile usage to suit your needs. If you want to get full highlight features and / full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important, don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.